Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So today I'm going to be talking about how geeks are weird and why it matters. So all of these thoughts are actually my own opinion, so you might not agree with this. But these are some general characteristics or stereotypes of geeks. First and foremost, we pretty much all love technology, especially if it's anything related to video games and in even some cases programming. Another thing that we enjoy is when it comes to our entertainment, we love sci-fi, anime, fantasy, whether that would be in movie form, comics, manga, whatever the case might be. We enjoy those type of things when it comes to entertainment. And then in terms of like personality traits, I think a lot of geeks are more of introverted. We get a lot more energy from being introverted, and so we're not as outgoing, as social as some other people. And also, I think the majority of geeks don't really enjoy sports, at least physical sports, as much. And so those are just some general things that I think of whenever I think of being a geek, and I pretty much have all those characteristics myself. But then again, I'm also weird, and I think a lot of geeks can relate with that. And your level of weirdness really depends on who you are. But some of the things that I'm weird about is I actually don't have a television. And that doesn't mean I won't get a television, but I don't watch TV. And so most of the times I really don't know what's going on in the mainstream news. Another thing is I don't have an alarm clock. I haven't had one for years. So typically I like to get up early in the morning. And then another thing is I'm like kind of obsessed with improving. And so like, I don't know if you can see this, but I've already done like 140 miles plus this month. So just kind of weird things like that. And also for myself, I really love creating. That's something that I'll get into a little bit further, but I pretty much create every single day. And I also enjoy the challenge of marketing, specifically in digital marketing. And so those are some of my weird traits. There's probably a whole bunch of other ones. And the reason why I talked about creating is because being a creator, taking this whole journey on YouTube, on the internet, it allowed me to embrace my geekness. And that's why I really feel like being a geek, it matters, because it allows you to embrace who you are and be okay with that. Because when I was younger, all the way through high school, even through college, and even through my young adult years, I never really fit in anywhere. In high school, I wasn't the smartest kid. Actually, I'm like a C student. Obviously, I wasn't athletically gifted or anything like that. And so I never really fit in. And even in college, even when I tried to fit in, it never quite worked. And in the workforce, I was never really involved with anything. I just never felt like I was in the right place. And so it wasn't until I took that leap of faith and started this whole journey, on the internet, doing YouTube, becoming a creator, because I never thought I was a creative person, that I really learned who I am as a geek, who I am as a person, and what I really enjoy in life, And so that's really what it comes down to. If you are a geek and you're weird, just embrace it, and try as best you can not to care what other people think. I know that's easier said than done. But in the end, that's what it comes down to. If you really don't embrace your geekness, then you'll always be like limited. You'll never be able to be who you are fully. So that's it for this particular episode. If you are a geek, be sure to leave that in the commentary below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.